Hi everyone, welcome back to A Teacher Sidekick. I'm Hunter, a founder of the Teacher Sidekick. Today I'm going to teach you another center you can use in math to help develop multiplication fact fluency. So for this center, you will need a dry erase marker, a dry erase board, and a deck of cards. So this is to help develop their fact fluency. So what students will do, they can do this by themselves in pairs or in fours or threes, or you can do it one-on-one with your students. So you will need a deck of cards. How this works is you take your deck of cards and you draw 2 cards. Each card represents a number. So if we're doing multiplication, this means 9 times 3. So 9 times 3. Students write out the problem and then they solve it. They can use whatever method they want just to get it started. So 9 times 3, they can do their dots or their groups. 1, 2, 3, put 9 in each group. 9, 18, 27. Or do the 3 groups again and then do the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count them all up to get 27. Another way that I actually seen one of my tutoring students use, they took the cards and they counted up using the cards. So they took their 9 and they know they have to do it 3 times. So they 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. That's another great way. Now, that's great and all. A lot of students can do that, but I'm sure you've seen the problems. They do that, and that takes forever. When they start to get into these harder problems, whereas multi-digit multiplication, they need to be able to know their facts like that. So, again, they draw their cards. 8 times 4. Do their whatever strategy they want. We know 8 times 4 is 32. So, students continue doing that. Now, in a deck of cards, we have more than just number cards. We also have face cards. So, starting off with our face cards. King, Queen, and Jack. Now, there's 2 different ways you can do this. Some ways, I have this continue. Jack is 11, Queen is 12, and King is 13. That's one way you can do it. Another way you can do it is have each of these students can pick whatever number they want between 1 and 10. So I always allow my students, if they want to, if they draw a Jack, they could pick a 1 or a 10, anything between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. They can pick whichever one they want if they draw one of these, if you'd rather have that versus going from 11, 12, and 13. Now, most of the time, they need to know 12, so it's a good idea to include it. But I know at first, sometimes 12 can be intimidating. Now, an ace. I always have ace meaning 1. Again, if you'd rather include it in the face cards and make it, they can pick whatever they want, you go ahead. But I always did 1 because they still need to understand 1. Sometimes they forget that. So, let's do a practice one with a face card. So, I draw my cards. We draw a king and then a 7. So, you can pick. Let's start off with 13 times 7. So 13 times 7. Again, doing whatever strategy they want. Now, this is why I'm going to show you it's important for them to know their multiplication facts. So, maybe this is the side. So let's say we set it up standard and vertical. 13 times 7. Now, students know, okay, I know I do 7 times 3 first, but then they start drawing their dots. And then they draw 7 dots in each one. That takes so much time. Also, it gives place for more ways for them to make an error. By doing this card game, they'll know 7 times 3 right away is 21. Know the regroup. They're 2 with the tens place because they came along. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2, okay, I'm sorry, 7 plus 2 is 9. 91. So, there are some examples of ways that you can use playing cards to help practice multiplication fluency. I hope you guys enjoy. I have also other videos of showing how to use multiplication cards playing cards for addition. I'll include that in the link. Thanks for watching and have a great day.